When the FIFA World Cup arrives in North America in 2026, fans will experience some of the most technologically advanced stadiums ever used in football history. Among the tournament venues, 4 stadiums stand out for one remarkable feature. They can literally change from outdoor arenas into climate-controlled indoor venues within minutes. These are the retractable roof stadiums of World Cup 2026. Massive engineering systems capable of moving thousands of tons of steel, cables, and roofing materials with incredible precision. Today, we're exploring the architecture, engineering, and technology behind 4 of the most impressive retractable roof stadiums in the world. 1. NRG Stadium, the NFL pioneer. We begin in Houston, Texas. Opened in 2002, NRG Stadium made history as the first NFL stadium to feature a fully retractable roof. More than 2 decades later, it remains one of the most practical and efficient roof systems ever built. Unlike newer stadiums that rely on massive steel panels or complex rotating structures, NRG uses 2 enormous roof sections constructed from PTFE-coated fiberglass fabric. The lightweight material dramatically reduces structural loads while maintaining exceptional durability against heat, sunlight, and heavy rain. The roof panels travel along a system of 10 parallel trusses using motorized wheel assemblies running on steel rails. Its biggest advantage is speed. The entire roof can open or close in approximately 7 minutes. That makes NRG Stadium one of the fastest retractable roof venues in the world. For Houston's unpredictable Gulf Coast weather, that capability is invaluable. A sudden thunderstorm can appear with little warning, and the stadium can quickly transform from an open-air venue into a protected indoor environment. From an engineering perspective, NRG may not be the most visually dramatic stadium on this list, but it was the pioneer that helped establish the modern retractable roof era in American sports architecture. 2. AT&T Stadium, the Texas giant. Next comes one of the most recognizable stadiums on Earth, AT&T Stadium in Arlington. Everything in Texas is famous for being oversized, and this stadium perfectly embodies that reputation. With a World Cup capacity approaching 93,000 spectators, it will be one of the largest venues at the tournament. The roof system is supported by 2 colossal steel arch trusses stretching across the entire building. These giant arches carry the immense loads generated by the retractable roof structure while creating the vast column-free interior space that fans experience today. The movable section consists of 2 gigantic roof panels. Each panel slides along the length of the stadium before meeting precisely at the center line. The opening or closing process takes roughly 12 minutes. When fully closed, the stadium becomes a completely climate-controlled environment. The benefits go far beyond weather protection. The enclosed structure helps contain crowd noise, creating one of the loudest atmospheres in North American sports. It also protects the venue's iconic center-hung video board, one of the largest and most recognizable stadium displays ever built. Architecturally, AT&T Stadium represents the era when stadium designers pushed steel construction to unprecedented scales. It remains one of the greatest examples of large-span structural engineering in sports architecture. 3. BC Place, the cable-supported umbrella. Crossing the border into Canada, we arrive at BC Place in Vancouver. This stadium introduces a completely different philosophy. Instead of using heavy sliding roof panels, BC Place relies on a tensile retractable roof system. In simple terms, it functions much more like a giant mechanical umbrella. The movable roof section covers an opening measuring approximately 100 meters by 85 meters. A network of high-strength steel cables and electromechanical systems controls the movement of the central membrane. When the roof retracts, the fabric structure folds inward and disappears into a dedicated storage enclosure above the stadium's center. The result is a completely unobstructed opening to the sky. No visible roof panels, no giant moving steel structures, just an elegant cable-supported engineering solution. This design was particularly important because Vancouver receives significant rainfall throughout the year. Engineers needed weather protection without dramatically increasing the weight imposed on the existing stadium structure. The tensile roof provided exactly that balance. For architecture enthusiasts, BC Place is fascinating because it demonstrates how lightweight engineering can solve problems that would otherwise require enormous quantities of steel. It is perhaps the most elegant retractable roof solution among all World Cup 2026 venues. 4. The ultimate mechanical masterpiece. Finally, we arrive at Atlanta, and arguably the most spectacular retractable roof system in the world, Mercedes-Benz Stadium. Inspired by the Pantheon in Rome and the aperture mechanism of a camera lens, this roof is unlike anything else in sports architecture. Instead of sliding panels, the roof consists of 8 giant ETFE-clad pedals. As the roof opens, these pedals rotate and slide simultaneously in a synchronized circular movement. The process resembles a camera lens adjusting its aperture. The visual effect is mesmerizing. Few stadium features anywhere on Earth can match the spectacle of watching the roof open above a packed crowd. Beyond aesthetics, the system delivers major environmental benefits. The ETFE material allows natural daylight to enter the building while reducing solar heat gain. This helps improve energy efficiency and enhances spectator comfort. Directly beneath the roof sits the stadium's famous 360-degree halo board. The enormous circular video display wraps around the opening, creating one of the most immersive fan experiences ever designed. Mercedes-Benz Stadium is not merely a sports venue. It is a demonstration of what happens when architecture, engineering, sustainability, and digital technology are combined into a single building. So why are these stadiums so important for World Cup 2026? The answer is flexibility. The tournament will be played during the hottest months of the year across North America. Retractable roofs allow organizers to control temperature, humidity, and weather conditions more effectively. They protect matches from extreme heat, thunderstorms, and heavy rainfall. They create consistent lighting conditions for global television broadcasts, and they help maintain superior acoustics that enhance the atmosphere inside the stadium. In many ways, these venues represent the future of major sporting infrastructure, buildings capable of adapting to changing conditions at the push of a button. Four stadiums, 4 completely different engineering philosophies. The speed of NRG Stadium, the colossal scale of AT&T Stadium, the elegant cable technology of BC Place, and the breathtaking mechanical choreography of Mercedes-Benz Stadium. Which retractable roof design impresses you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more stadium architecture and World Cup 2026 content.